The WWE, one of the world's largest network marketing companies. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you exactly why that is. I'm Paul Yeager, aka The Guardian, and I'm an online marketer and a professional wrestler.
I started online marketing in 2008. Never made a penny until 2011.
My name is Paul Yeager, for those of you who do not know me, and I am both an online marketer.
He's not new to internet marketing. He's actually been marketing a very long time. He's had months before where he's made over $17,000 in a month. He has had success online.
And a professional wrestler. So, right now, you're probably thinking, how on earth can you compare a company like the WWE to a network marketing company? Well, I'm going to explain that today. In network marketing, what happens? You purchase a product or a service, and then you have the ability to resell that product or service, build a team for more people to build that product or service. In the WWE, firstly, you got to pay for a service. It's called professional wrestling training, which back in 2001, I did that. And in the WWE, everyone you see on that TV screen has done that as well. So there's step one. And then some people will say, no, that's a job. They get paid to wrestle. No. Vince McMahon pays those wrestlers for advertising. When he pays them to wrestle, he's paying for them to advertise themselves, branding. They brand themselves so that they can sell themselves to the audience on behalf of the company, the WWE. What happens with this? Well, if they're very successful at selling themselves, they increase in popularity. Then what happens? Vince McMahon will pay them more for their commercial, aka wrestling matches. And then if they do attain really high popularity levels, what's going to happen? The fans are going to start buying tickets to the WWE's shows, increasing the revenue of the company. Those wrestlers get paid more for their commercial. And then product sales. Think of the big names over history like Hulk Hogan, The Rock, Stone Cold Steve Austin, The Undertaker. What happened when their popularity went up through the roof? Well, number one, regardless of the name, you still associated them with who? The company, the WWE. Number two, what else happened? People bought their t-shirts, their posters, bought tickets to the shows so that they could enjoy their favorite WWE superstar. What happens with those sales? Each wrestler got a percentage of the sale. The company got a percentage of the sale. Good guy, bad guy, what have you, they are one huge team. No, I personally have not worked for the WWE. I've just been an independent pro wrestler on the indie circuit for almost 18 years. Currently taking time off from it to focus on building my business. And how do I build that business? I brand myself with things like this video where I am explaining things to provide value to people. Whether you ever buy anything from me personally or not, I don't care. I'm just going to keep giving you value, whether you like it or not. But now we'll go down a step further. A professional wrestler earns a 1099 income, not a W-2 income. What's that mean? That means the wrestlers are saying, pay me first and pay my taxes second. Well, and then with all the travel they do, they got to pay for rental cars, hotel rooms, food, flights. They're on a 1099 income. They are self-employed. What's that mean? All of those expenses now become tax-deductible write-offs. When Vince McMahon pays them, there's no taxes being pulled from their pay. He's giving them 100% of the money that they worked for, and then it's their responsibility to keep good tax records so that tax time comes, they know how much expenses can be written off, and they know what they owe in taxes. Now, if you do have a W-2 income, meaning you work a job, you get a paycheck, all the taxes come off first, you're probably overpaying in taxes. And how do you know if you're overpaying in taxes? Simple. Do you get a tax refund every year? Most of you probably do. Tax refund. It's your money again. Meaning the government and the IRS said, we took this much, too much from you last year on your paychecks, so now we're giving it back to you. And a tax refund is taxed, so you're still not getting all of your money back at the end of the year. Now, this is not bashing on the government, because here's the positive note on the government and the IRS. You can check this out on the IRS website. They even have a statement on the IRS website that approximately 80% of people are overpaying in taxes. What's this mean? Well, if you're not a business owner, you could still make an adjustment on your W-4, maybe get, a little bit extra in your take-home pay. Now, if you're a home-based business owner, that opens the floodgates, and you could end up with approximately $250 to $500 more in your pocket every single month throughout the year, instead of waiting an entire year to get some of your money back in your pocket. And as a home-based business owner, keep track of your tax records. I, much like a WWE Superstar, am affiliated with a company called myEcon. We'll jump back to the WWE example here. A professional wrestler in the WWE, a WWE Superstar, let's take a big name, let's say The Rock. Everybody knows who The Rock is. He paid for training. He later on became a WWE Superstar, then WWF, but he then branded himself, I'm The Rock, and people bought products from The Rock. They bought them of The Rock from the WWE. The Rock earned a percentage. The WWE earned a percentage of the sale. Well, I'm an affiliate of myEcon. So, any products and services that are purchased from me, I earn a percentage of the sale. The company earns a percentage of the sale. You see, is this starting to click now? Anyways, back to my original point. myEcon offers, yes, an affiliate program that does cost money. Well, the program does not cost money. The products and services that they provide you cost money. A lot of people get it mixed up and they're like, oh, I have to buy my way into the company. Well, no. You are purchasing products and services offered by myEcon. Well, what are those? Well, we have a credit repair system called the Smart Credit System. And the goal of the program, if you follow it, is to increase your credit score up to a 750 plus within 90 to 120 days. What else? Well, I talked about the importance of tax record keeping. We have something called the Cashflow Manager. And what that is you can track all of your expenses throughout the year. Every single one of them. And instead of filling up a box full of receipts, you get a receipt for something, you can use your mobile phone and use the camera on it, just snapshot your receipt, save the image, and put in the information, what it was for, how much it cost, and where it was at. And it will track all of these expenses and total them up for you throughout the year so you can see what your expenses are. And then at the end of the year, instead of going to your tax preparer and handing them this huge box full of receipts and they go, oh my god, you can just go to your Cashflow Manager, click a button, and you can email all of your expenses to your tax preparer, or you can just download the file and print it off and then take the printout to your tax preparer. You also can track your income throughout the year as well. And with the adjustment of on your W-4, a lot of people are worried, oh no, I'm gonna have to pay in. Well, if you only work a regular job where you're generating a W-2 income, you have to be careful about how much of an adjustment you make on your W-4. If you're a home-based business owner, then that opens up a little more options as to what you can open up at your job in addition to your income, your business income. And I see this video is about 12 minutes now. And I'm blanking out, so I hope you got some value out of this video. If you're interested in any of our products or services, there we go, I got it out. Feel free to click the link below. Visit paulyeagerprofits.com for more information. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, email me, send me a message on Facebook. Be glad to answer all of your questions. I'm unlike a lot of marketers out there. I'm not going to say, oh, you have to buy this product or service or you're gonna die tomorrow or something. No, you ask me a question, I get you the answers you're looking for. That's my job. My business is, I'm in the business of showing people how to do the business of doing business, not just how to sell a product or a service. Other than that, I guess that's it for this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment, and I hope to get connected with you soon. Bye for now.